Welcome back. Let's do question 4. We're going to look at question 4a1. We have to derive f of x. When you're deriving using rules, remember all the terms of the expression should be in the form a times x to the power n. And then when you're deriving, how do we do that? When you're deriving, we say n times a, or a times n, and then x to the power, and then you subtract 1 from the exponent, n minus 1. Okay, so this is the exponent times the coefficient, and then here you subtract 1 from the exponent. Okay, so now we have f of x. Let's start with 4a1. We have f of x is equal to fifth root of x squared, then minus 3 over x to the power 3. Right, so now this one you have to remember that the nth root of x to the power m is equal to x to the power m over n, right? And then for this one you have to remember that 1 over x to the power n is equal to x to the power negative n. Okay, so we can rewrite this. We haven't derived yet, we're just rewriting this. This one is x to the power 2 over 5, then minus 3 times x to the power negative 3. Now we have this in the form of this, we have this in the form of this, so we can derive now. So say the derivative of f of x is equal to, there's a coefficient of 1 here, so it's 2 over 5 times 1, there's a 1 here, invisible 1. 2 over 5 times 1, we get 2 over 5. And then we have x to the power 2 over 5 minus 1, minus 3. But let's see, we have negative 3 times negative 3. So it becomes positive 9, because we're saying negative 3 times negative 3. Okay, and then x to the power negative 3 minus 1. Okay, right, let's simplify this. Becomes the derivative of f of x 2 over 5 x to the power 2 over 5 minus 1, just like saying 2 over 5 minus 5 over 5. So it's going to be negative 3 over 5, then plus 9 times x to the power negative 4. But you can write this with the positive exponents. The derivative of f of x is equal to 2 over 5, then x to the power 3 over 5, then plus 9 over x to the power 4. Okay, but this and this is just same thing, that here we're writing our answer with positive exponents. Okay,